Air Commander Peter Zimondi, Director General of Administration in the Air Force Zimbabwe AFZ, has died. Achipere mushe panapa vanhu kuda kutaura mashuka kuchiti aiwa magenerals munyika yezimbabwe aiwa vari kungosangana nemamysterious death. Takatasana nethis succession yatiri kuona kuti this succession ine maspeculations ari kuda kuitika zvinhu zvamboda kuitika mugore ra2017 zvatava kuona izvezvi zvogona kumboitika futi, but hakuna mageneral aya mamwe akamboteka part in the 2017 coup achidisappear. Tirambe namashuka bilanyoka pana mudoko wasubscribe walike kuti on the bell yako tipina munomwegwa muchinzi Zimondi died on Friday in Harare from injuries sustained in a suspicious road accident near Chiwenga in July. The late Air Force boss has been in intensive care unit since the accident and never fully recovered. His family and friends confirmed his passing, leaving the nation to mourn a significant figure in Zimbabwe's military. Zimondi, who had served in his high-ranking role since February 2018, was a prominent family member with a deep ties to the country's security forces. He was the brother of the late Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Services Commissioner General Paradzai Zimondi and cousin to the late Air Force Commander Parents Shiri. Both Shiri and Zimondi passed away under mysterious circumstances during the COVID-19 pandemic. Air Commander Zimondi's death continue to raise suspicions over the death of 12 military personnel. Sandomashwa kuda pana zvinzi aiwa a tragic passing away inotocontributawo kune maspeculations kana kususpectawo kuri kuitawo kuti aiwa mahigh ranking officials vemumilitary aiwa vari kungofa, saka iye ari kutocontributawo kune vamwe vavo zvinzi aiwa vakomana ava vanogona vachida kukonzeresa zvaamuda kuita muna 2017. Tudze mafungiro enyu pina comment section medu, musaona subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.